Today, I'm here to take the hassle out of contacting HMRC for your self-assessment. If you're a sole trader or an entrepreneur, I know this can sometimes feel like a headache, but don't worry, we've got this covered. Let's dive in. First things first, why would you even need to contact HMRC? Well, whether it's to ask about your tax return, update your details, or resolve a query about payments, it's important to know how to get hold of them. Now don't panic. There are loads of ways to reach out to HMRC and I'll break them down for you so it's easy peasy. Number 1, online options. Let's start with the easiest and most efficient option, online. You can manage almost everything from your HMRC account. You'll need your government gateway ID. Make sure you have that ready. That's absolutely key. Once logged in, you can check your tax return status, update your personal details, and even pay your tax. It's all about saving time. No need to wait on the phone for hours. Speaking of which, a top tip, use the HMRC web chat if you get stuck. It's fast and you can avoid those long phone queues. But make sure you do it within business hours as the service isn't available 24/7. Number 2, phone contact. If you're old school and prefer a good old chat on the phone, I think there's better people to chat to than HMRC, but hey, here's how you do it. Call HMRC on 0300 200 3310. Now, a word of warning, you're guessing I'm going to say this. During peak times like January, we all know it's a mad rush. You need to be pretty patient. It can take a while to get through, and I mean a long time. We've heard of people being on the phone waiting for 30 to 40 minutes. But look, don't worry. If you're on hold, go and use that time to make a cup of tea, get your emails done. But really, the online option is a lot easier. If you're even more old school, number 3, post. Yes, you still can write to HMRC, but let's get real. It's 2024 and no one wants to wait weeks for a response. If you have complex issues that require lots of documentations, sure, you can send them in a letter, but for most cases, we recommend online or phone contact. Keep it quick and efficient. And look, if any of this sounds like a lot of hassle, and quite frankly it is, this is where Crunch steps in. Our team of advisors is here to make sure your self-assessment is seamless and we handle all the hard stuff so you don't have to. So why use Crunch? Why go through all that stress when you can let Crunch help? We're specialists in small business accounting. We've been doing it since 2009, and our advisors knows the ins and outs of self-assessments like it's the back of their hand. Whether you need guidance or someone to handle it all for you, we've got your back. Head over to crunch.co.uk or call our friendly team today. Trust me, we'll save you time, stress, and probably a few grey hairs along the way. So there you have it. Contacting HMRC doesn't have to be a nightmare. Thanks so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you want more useful tips for your business, and let's keep growing your success together.